top of an emptiness you left behind. Trying to sleep, but the silence is haunting this room every night. I can stand to feel this way. My body's screaming out your name. Didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone. Oh, I wish the sun.
Finally, we get to see what you need to find in a $1 billion yacht. Phenomenal. Let me give you a tour.
Pictures of you in my head. I won't think of. Oh, I wish the sun.
Is the washroom, and you come out here where you have this little bathrobe that obviously you will be needing, and you have a nice TV, and that is probably a commercial playing for this particular yacht. Nice, some little candles, and the view from here will be phenomenal. And this is my setup. I actually forgot to bring my Rode mic because I could not do the 360 with the Rode mic. And they have one more room. Let's go and check this out. Oh my god, this is the main master room, and pretty cool. You have the dedicated washroom, and this is an entire unit in itself. And this particular yacht has two of such rooms with the two twin beds. This one and this one, most probably for the kids, because the kids swimsuit is here. But this one, the master room, is phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. And actually, for a master bedroom, this is a very big space, I must say. I mean, in this yacht, the way they have designed this is pretty unique. So this is the time where we should go up. So I just ran into a guy who watches my vlog. Pretty nice. I like you guys. That's why I say you. I really love you guys. probably the entire money is about the master bedroom. That is this. Woohoo! Nice. Let me give you a 360 tour of this room. That's it probably. If you want to have a look at the washroom, that's also pretty nice. And they have, this is probably the fourth room I'm seeing in this yacht, and there is full entire floor down as well. Hey. These guys are most probably having a nice time out here. So this is the master room for this particular yacht. Oh, this is phenomenal. This is like a 7-star resort out here. They have a pretty nice TV. Then this is the view that we just saw from outside. You have the window blinds, and then you have all the luxury amenities that you need. You have a full mirror for you. You have study lights, and then every single thing that you would like to have in your home, they have these. They have this nice table there where you can enjoy your champagne. The automatic AC or the climate control is here, and they have a pretty decent washroom also here, and 2 different sinks, one for him, one for her, and 2 separate mirrors as well. This is the him side of the mirror, and this is the her side of the mirror. I look better in the her side, I guess. This was a nice little scape, which I did not find in the other yachts, but this one had. This has a door from which you can just go outside, and we were here some time back. So this is it. This is what you get and what you see in a $1 billion yacht. Phenomenal. I mean, I don't think ever in my life if I'll be able to buy it, but this is in my bucket list. Okay.
1, 2, go.
Now everywhere there will be 1 or 2 companies that will come down and show their showcase their cars. Last time it was Lincoln, and this time it's Aston Martin. Let's go check out their stall, because Aston Martin, ooh. So this was the sneak peek of the Kuwait Yacht Show 2019. If you guys are into yachts, you guys are into sea life, I will hardly recommend you to come here and check out this. Most probably every year, March or maybe starting of the April, they have this show where all these guys, all these rich brats come here. They change their yachts, they buy the new yachts and head out to the sea. So let's head out to the sea and let's welcome summers. Peace out. See you guys in another adventure.